babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your fave dream coming back to you with another wig review. So today I will be reviewing a wig that I bought from Sam's Beauty from the Alley Hairs vendor. It's the 100% virgin Remy human hair 360 lace frontal wig made with Brazilian straight hair in a 16-inch cut. It also came with a 3-piece free gift. Basically, whenever you buy any Alley Hairs product, it'll come with a free gift, which includes a wig cap. They also sent me some lashes. They also sent an edge control stick from Olive Oil. So it came like this out of the box. Ooh. Just so y'all know, it came with a little, yeah, this is the wig. The wig comes like so. It comes with 12 by 4.5 inch frontal right here. It also comes with 2 combs right here in the front, a comb in the back with adjustable straps. It looks really realistic, y'all. I'm not getting any shed either, in case y'all was wondering. I'm about to set this up right now. middle parts too much. I don't like how they look on me, but I like this one. This one looks good. All right, babes. So yes, this is giving me so much life. What happened? Like, what? Are you serious right now? I am totally in love with it. It looks bomb.com. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box below. Don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, okay? Like, what are you waiting for? Just click that subscribe button. If you already subscribed, make sure you click on that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you guys get notified, okay? Thank you so much for watching.